Well, look at the scoreboard.
Look at the score. I suppose for you it's refreshing.
I see.
Well, so now where do you film 30 Rock?
We filmed 30 Rock in Queens, just over the Manhattan Bridge. I mean, the 59th Street Bridge, and working. Yeah, Tina Fey and Alec Baldwin and those guys. We worked really hard, and those people are great. Alec is like one of the 5 greatest actors ever.
Oh, well, is he? What a great show.
Thank you very much.
I mean,
we appreciate it.
And Jeremy Guthrie likes you because he's back-to-back strikeouts.
He knew you were early on. You'd have to stay here while he's doing these strikeouts, I'll tell you that.
You were icing your arm.
I was sitting right next to the dugout. My boy Jones is out there.
Oh, you know Adam?
Fan?
That's my boy. That's my boy from San Diego. Yeah.
Where'd you meet him?
In the dugout.
Here tonight. Long-term relationships are always good.
Right there in the dugout.
What time's the show tomorrow night? Because we start at 7:05. Can you delay it a while? I mean, the Yankees take a lot of pitches, you know.
Well, actually, I can't delay it because I'm itching to go on. I got an itch and it needs to be scratched. And I haven't done any stand-up since the movies came out. And I'm just looking forward to getting on stage with all the hype about the movies, Cop Out and Death at a Funeral. You just want to get back to basic, just me on stage in front of an audience and stand up.
Now, Seinfeld used to have a lot of Yankees on it. Have you ever had any of the Yankees or any?
He wants to be on, that's what he's saying.
No,
on Saturday Night Live?
No, I got asked to host that in 1984, but I was too shy.
Why didn't you do it?
Because I was doing underwear and they would have made fun of me and all that kind of
But
stuff.
that's what the point is. You gotta laugh.
I wasn't ready for it, though.
You should have did it.
I know. I got a lot of regrets. That's one of them.
Oh man, I got to work with so many athletes on SNL. I got to Derek Jeter hosted. Shaq came on, and it was just great, man. I mean, Saturday Night Live is a place where you get to meet all these cool people. I met Frank Sinatra there.
Well, I shook his hand.
That's pretty good.
I met Frank Sinatra there. Yeah. But I didn't call him Mr. Sinatra, and I didn't call him Old Blue Eyes. I said, hey, Frankie, baby.
And he loved it.
And he turned around. And this is when you couldn't smoke cigarettes indoors, but who's going to tell Frank Sinatra to put a cigarette out? And he just turned around me and said, be cool, baby.
All right,
and that is the highlight of my career.
How about this? We're going to show you another highlight of your career now. We want you to describe what you see.
Oh!
What are you doing here?
That was a hanging fastball.
Hanging fastball. Good. You got it up there. Successful. No.
It may have been a slider, but I was throwing some junk out there.
Well, that was better than President Obama.
Now, did you?
Was?
Yeah.
Good,
Bouncer.
good.
Well, did you?
Even though he did go out all the way to the middle.
Yeah. Did you warm up?
Well, it goes back to my pro baseball career. I used to play for the Padres with Jose Uribe. I just love saying
but that's all right.
What was it, Juan Uribe?
Yeah,
I used to call him Jose Uribe.
Well, that's why you're no longer on the team. But anyway.
What's that got to do with warming up?
Favorite Yankee?
You like this?
I like this guy.
You like Derek Jeter?
I don't know his name, but I like this guy. I love Derek Jeter. He's cool. Okay. He hosted Saturday Night Live.
True.
Was he good?
Yeah.
I saw it.
He was pretty good. He made fun of himself.
How many rehearsals do you...
Unlike some people I know that was nervous.
I wouldn't go. How many rehearsals do you do for Saturday Night Live? Do you do rehearsals?
One rehearsal.
That's it.
One rehearsal.
Wow. Second base.
Awesome.
We are delighted to have you join us here. Thank you so much. Have a great show.
Good luck with the movies.
We'll talk about it. Yeah.
Keep the rest of your life.
I love you guys.
Going to be at the Lyric Opera House. It's going to be at 8 o'clock.